Welcome to this tutorial on Hybrid Pro's Send Direct Message feature, a powerful tool to automate and optimize your Instagram outreach. In this video, I'll walk you through all the settings and best practices to ensure safe and effective DM automation. Let's get started. 1. Enabling the Send DM feature. The first step is to enable the Send DM option. Once activated, the system will automatically send messages to users based on your defined settings. This is perfect for engaging with your audience, promoting content, or generating leads. You'll notice a drop-down menu under the section, How often to interact with the same user for DM. This setting prevents spamming and ensures natural interaction. You can set it from once per day to once per 30 days, or even longer. 2. Setting the DM limits. To prevent action blocks, Instagram requires careful DM limits. Hybrid Pro allows you to customize this. The recommended safe value is 30 DMs per day, but you can adjust this depending on your account's trust score. Recommended limits, just with API. Low trust accounts, 5 to 15 DMs per day. High trust accounts, 30 to 60 DMs per day. Aged accounts, with good history, up to 90 DMs per day. With hybrid algorithm via real phone automation, on real phone based. Hybrid algorithm option, you are able to send 100 DM per day estimated. This setting ensures that your messages are sent naturally, avoiding detection by Instagram's algorithms. 3. Filtering and smart DM options. To make sure your DMs are targeted and efficient, Hybrid Pro includes several filter options. Move DM to General folder. Keep your primary inbox clean by storing mass DMs in the General folder. Don't attach a profile preview. This ensures Instagram doesn't flag your message for excessive attachments. Skip users you followed. Avoid sending messages to people you already follow. Skip users you sent follow requests. Prevent unnecessary messages to pending requests. These filters enhance safety and improve response rates. 4. Crafting your DM message. Hybrid Pro supports dynamic messaging with Spintax, emojis, and personalization. You can personalize messages using placeholders like username, inserts the recipient's username, full name, uses their full name, first name, adds a personal touch. Example, hey, first name, I just came across your profile and love your content, would love to connect. This makes your messages feel more natural and not automated. 5. Custom user list for DM. If you have specific users to message, you can manually add their Instagram usernames or profile links. Important: Instagram user IDs are not supported, only usernames or profile links. This feature is ideal for messaging followers of competitors, sending offers to previous customers, engaging targeted users. Simply enter usernames separated by a new line and let Hybrid Pro handle the rest. 6. Final tips for safe DM automation to maintain a high trust score and avoid restrictions. Gradually increase DM limits over time. Use Spintax to send varied messages. Avoid mass messaging new accounts. Monitor performance and adjust settings. That's everything you need to know about Hybrid Pro's Send DM feature. If you found this guide helpful, drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more automation tips. Let's automate smartly and stay ahead.